Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5066835 or KB5066128, because of this error code on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, again make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click, again click on restart and then check. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. If that does not work, you can pause the update and then you can resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator and then click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. In my case, it is already done. Once the scan is complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any update, you will see update option or install option. You can do it and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5066835, and then click on search. Then type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on Winver run command and check which version of Windows you have. So in my case, it's version 25H2. Now you have to check what kind of system you have. So go to system in Windows settings, scroll down and then go to about option. And then here in my case, system type is 64-bit. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. So this is the right one for me. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then on this screen, click on this KB5066835 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Do the same thing with the second update. So if you're facing trouble installing this update, that is the second update is KB5066128. You can search in Windows Update Catalog and then you can install it. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option over here. So go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option, and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, click on here you can see media creation tool. Download down. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once done, click on finish over here. Once you click on finish, let this close automatically. And then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, and click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.